Hi, time for another nature walk. Thanks for coming with me. Well, the tide's coming in here in this beautiful inlet of the Long Island Sound, a very gentle place. It's a place I like to come when I'm confused, when I'm frustrated, as I am right now. The source of my frustration and sadness and disappointment is that there's so much hate and there's so much demonstration of hate and expression of hate, not only with the murders of people, but also with the compliance and tolerance of speech that is really just intending to harm because of someone's lifestyle, because of someone's religion, the color of their skin, their culture, where they came from, intentionally hurting people, intentionally trying to make trouble and making trouble. And I find it intolerable, unacceptable, that there are not more people speaking out. Someone wants to ban a book? Really? Someone wants to burn a book? Oh, seriously? We live in the United States. We live in a place where we have the ability to read and discuss what we like. And we also live in a place where we can talk about things civilly, with kindness, with respect. But I wonder, where has that gone? Each of us has a responsibility, in my opinion, to combat hate. When someone says something offensive about a group of people or another person or their background or who they love or whatever it is, speak out. That's not okay. I will not accept that. Today's nature walk, it's about the nature of who we are. It's about the nature of who we feel we are and who we want to be, individually, within our families, within our communities. So please, be inspired by nature. Take a moment and ground yourself and try and understand why certain things that really should be intolerable are tolerated. Thanks for taking my nature walk with me. Bye.